Okay, so for Friday's lesson, the overall objective is to use verbal descriptions to represent proportional relationships. Some of these verbal descriptions or word problems will ask you to write an equation. We did that already in past lessons. Some will ask you to actually write a situation or your own word problem. So when it says I can use verbal descriptions to represent proportional relationships, verbal just means you're using words. So you're using words to represent y equals 2x. So looking at this equation of y equals 2x, we know that this 2 is our k, or our constant. And so your job is to think of, okay, what is a situation in which the constant could be 2. So this could be something really simple, such as a bag of chips costing $2. So for every bag of chips you buy, it costs $2. So your verbal description could be every time I go to the grocery store, I spend $2 on chips. Now looking at the rest of the equation, we can see that each bag of chips, that would be your x value. And then your y, so let's say one bag of chips costs $2, 2 bags of chips would cost $4, 3 bags would cost $6, and so on. So anytime you buy a $2 bag of chips, we'd multiply the $2 by how many bags you buy, and the y would equal, doesn't want to work for me, that's okay. I'll pick another color. Y would equal the total cost, or the total amount of money you spent. So from this, you could ask a question, how many bags of chips could I buy with $10? You could ask, how much would 7 bags of chips cost, and so on. So make it really simple. It doesn't have to be anything elaborate, over the top. This is how we write verbal descriptions.